Hi, I'm Lewis. I am an Access Leadership Fellow, and I am really thrilled to be part of this leadership program. So I started off really my interest in the social sciences came from my interest in environmental issues, and I was working in the environmental education sector through the Field Studies Council, where I was taking groups of young people into the outdoors on multi-day expeditions, teaching geography, teaching biology, and I became very aware that these experiences were really fundamental to people's ability and desire to care for the natural world. And it was through that journey that I decided to go into academia and research, and had an interest in young people's experiences of the outdoors, and in particular, young people's experiences of perhaps unfamiliar landscapes and places which are very different to where those people grew up, or go to school. And I went from doing my PhD then into working in environmental education through a consultancy which I set up with a friend called Lestari Environmental Education Consultancy, and we do various bits of work with the environmental education sector. We try to make an impact in the work that other people are doing by helping with evaluation, by conducting pieces of research for them, and also leading groups and helping to train educators in the social sciences. And so one piece of work that we've done recently is the project called Education at a Time of Emergency, which was through Exeter University, and we worked with a whole group of educators in the southwest to work out how the social sciences, and in particular behaviour change social science, can help leverage changes, pro-environmental behaviours within those people that our partners were working with. So we work with a whole range of partners who work with adults and young people in the outdoors. My work involves academic research and advocacy of the social sciences within environmental education, and also campaigning. One of the campaigning roles that I'm involved in is the Right to Roam campaign. So we've been working as a group on issues around land access and land justice, and more recently been very involved in campaigning for the Right to Wild Camp on Dartmoor, and access to land. But in the longer term, we're seeking to get new legislation which allows more equitable access to land across the whole of England, and we're starting to see some real progress in that. But of course, that involves a whole variety of decision makers and people who have all different perspectives, and it's very interesting as a social scientist to also have a campaigning hat, which allows me to kind of better understand the issues that are presented to society, but also to be able to be outspoken about those things and to act on issues that I care about.